Hello, welcome. Today I want to do an experiment with an electric car. So we have the new Volkswagen Golf here. It's a hybrid, but it has an electrical component behind. And I have my AM FM radio with me. And it's tuned in now to AM. And we are listening to French radio. Unfortunately the signal is not really strong, so we can't really hear it well, but I'll let you hear it for a little bit. So we hear that we are on the French radio now, listening to the French radio. Now I want to show you what will happen when I'm close to the charging station. So, when I hold my antenna close to the charging station, we hear a frequency, we can hear it, we can hear what's happening. And what's very interesting to see is that we hear this frequency when I hold the antenna close to the cable. Also, when I hold it close to the car. And it's not only in this part under the hood, but it's the whole car. So I notice that with the whole chassis, it disturbs the radio channel. So, do electric cars generate dirty electricity? I don't know, but that's one thing I would like to find out, and I invite you all to do your own experiments with this, and hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.